I've seen at least 10 groups of people all sitting in circles around candles and stuff next to the ocean.
I hang out with my friends mostly.
The sun here in Brazil is amazing, epic, and it's summertime right now. The sun is out almost every single day. It's nice and warm, and we have beaches within walking distance of our house. So why would we not take advantage of that? Like every day that we've got a spare half an hour, 2 hours, whatever. But today we're going to actually leave Vitoria and cross the big bridge that goes over to Vila Velha, which is another city here in the Espírito Santo state, but it's actually very close to Vitoria. It's only half an hour drive from here. I'm going to go. I need to get my sun in. Tiny wee cups, I'm struggling to hold it. I had to ask for milk as like a special request because Brazilians don't tend to put milk in their coffee. That would be like us putting water in the whiskey. Finally, before we go to the beach, right, one thing I'm going to eat. Acai fruit. Alright, we're about to go over the big bridge to Vila Velha. There's a bit of a queue here to pay. It costs R$1 to get over the bridge. Vitoria and Vila Velha are literally right next to each other, just separated by a canal. Vila Velha, the beaches there are pretty nice. I love it there. Alright, so we're officially now in Vila Velha, which means, translated into English, old village. Although it's no longer a village, it's actually quite a big city. Alright, we're here in Vila Velha on the beach. What's the name? Itaparica, Itapo, I don't say. Anyway, let's go and get some sun. I might go for a wee swim. I will go for a swim. Although here, the sea is very open. So like in the water just there, like that is basically the South Atlantic. If you go out that way, it's just basically straight all the way to Africa. Nothing stopping it. So the waves are actually quite big and a bit dangerous here. One thing about this beach, right, because it is so open to the sea, there are definitely places where there are riptides, and luckily there are lifeguards right in front. I just saw them sprint off down the beach about 100 meters away and jump in after two young girls who had got caught on a tide that was getting pulled out. Yeah, it can be dangerous here. That's why there's lifeguards dotted all along the beach. But it's all good. I'll go for a swim. You guys are going to start to think that I'm sponsored by Guaraná or something like. But this is not the case. This is just good shit. This is like Iron Brew for us in Scotland. It is awesome stuff. I love it. Especially with ice. Can't come to the beach and not go in the water, eh? Just once. But the waves do look pretty fierce here. I'm going in. Oh, these waves are fierce, really fierce. Woo. I'm done. Okay, beach trip over for today. lovely trip to Vila on the beach as always. Got home, had a shower, got the sand off. I had sand in every single place you could imagine. But I need to keep on the fitness regime, so I'm not going to stay home. I'm going to go out on the bike, get cycling. I am tracking it on my phone, on my app, to see how many miles I'm doing. Science behind it. It's pitch black in here, but there is a light, thankfully. I'm always worried that there's going to be spiders and stuff in here. Like, I know there's not likely to be, but... So it is 8:30 PM at the moment, and I'm going out on the bike. A lot of people ask me if that is a safe thing to do here in Brazil, but to be honest with you, yeah, it's not that bad. You just need to keep your wits about you and cycle fast, pretty much. But yeah, I always look forward to this time of night and getting out on my bike. It's where I do a lot of my thinking and my planning for the vlogs. There are all kinds of crazy cats on the beach tonight, but that's why I like it here a lot in the summer on the beach. It is epic. There are so many different types of groups of people doing different things. There are also a lot of people practicing capoeira, people working out like me. A beach football tournament happening right now. I'm going to try and get some of that on video. There is, believe it or not, some kind of crazy religious ceremony going on the beach tonight. I've seen at least 10 groups of people all sitting in circles around candles and stuff next to the ocean. Religious ceremony stuff that they do on the beach here. I'm going to go and try and check out what that is. I'm back home after the epic cycle, back in the bike rack. I will speak to you again really, really soon. Take care.